What's good, family? It's me, Game Boy, back with a new video. And today, we're going to be talking about melanin. A black person who's unaware of melanin is manipulated and controlled by their unawareness. Black people need to know the basics about melanin and how to nourish it so that they can get positive use from it. Black people are controlled by their failure to realize they are a melanin dominant race. The key to controlling black people is to reduce their blackness, which is reduce their usage and knowledge of melanin. This will reduce their very ability to be black, which will directly affect their ability to be human and seek that which is humanly theirs, which is freedom. The first thing you have to understand, if we're going to be talking about melanin, is that you have to know and accept the fact that each race, especially black and white people, are biologically different. This is why black people survive yellow fever and influenza, but those diseases are deadly to black people. And on the flip side, white people can live through syphilis and tuberculosis, but if a black person get that, it could be deadly for us. Black and white people have two different biologies, yet most black people nourish themselves as if they were Caucasian, and by doing so, they're malnourishing, which is starving, or worse, destroying their melanin. So what is melanin? Simple definition is melanin is the thing that gives colored people their skin color. It's the thing that makes us brown or black in color. But the more technical definition is melanin is the biochemical substance that drives mental, physical, spiritual, and emotional well-being in life. Melanin is found in the environments, springs, lakes, soil, plants, the atmosphere, and animals. It's found in everything in the universe, everywhere in the universe except for white people. The more melanin a race has, the more humane and civilized that race is. White people have no melanin, so again, they have no connection to any of the things that I said melanin is found in, which is everything, the environment, the universe. White people have no melanin, so they have no connection, and that's why they always causing wars, fighting wars, you know what I'm saying? They always enslaving people. They built a whole country off of slavery, and now it's just wage slavery. Black people, we have the most melanin. So when we're nourishing, our melanin the proper way, we're the most civilized and humane when we're nourishing our melanin properly. Once black people come together and separate ourselves from white people, all the problems and stress will start to go away. The main stressors like paying bills and, starvation, all that stuff is part of white society. Once we come together and start living life based off of how our ancestors lived, we're gonna be good. All our problems gonna start to go away. Work ain't gonna go away. You gotta work to live, but you ain't gonna have to work 8 hours a day for someone else. That's gonna die out. Melanin is secreted by the pineal gland, which is the master gland. The pineal gland and melanin is stimulated and strengthened by sunlight and a plant-based diet. Melanin absorbs all types of energy: sunlight, electromagnetic waves, music and sound waves heard by the ear and not heard by the ear, phone waves, radio waves, radar waves, x-rays, cosmic rays, UV rays from the sun, heat waves, microwaves, all types of energy. Melanin absorbs it, and it's found everywhere in black people's bodies in a higher amounts than all other races. As I said before, melanin is secreted by the pineal gland. The pineal gland stimulates the growth of the nervous system cerebrum, which is the thinking part of the brain. An understimulated pineal gland in childhood can decrease thinking ability in adulthood. The content of melanin in the nerves is highest in black people also. Like I said, we got the highest amount of melanin in our bodies. So the melanin content in the nerves in our body, nerves are what the electrical signals travel on in your body. The melanin in our nerves is highest than any other people. Melanin allows nerve messages to travel fast without resistance, causing superconductivity. If you want to know what this is like resistance means that it's taking away that it's like resistant. If it's something that's resistant, it's pushing back. Melanin takes away the resistance for our nerve messages to travel, which means like our the nerve messages in our body, you know what I'm saying, they travel faster than other races. Black people have the highest amount of melanin in the upper part of our spinal cord, where the lower part of the brain connects to the spinal cord. This causes the brain to store more information and operate at a higher level than other races. The function of melanin is reduced by prescription drugs and unnatural sunlight. So basically, if you want to strengthen your melanin, 1, eat healthy. 2, get outside, sit outside. Don't be playing a game all day. Like, I could be inside recording this video, but I decided I'm gonna come sit on the porch. You know what I'm saying? Get outside. And I'm not saying like don't take no prescription drugs. Like, if you sick, you sick, but know what you putting into your body and experiment. Because Dr. Sebi said if you like eliminate mucus in the body by eating a plant-based diet, then disease cannot exist inside your body. You know what I'm saying? Like, the bacteria won't have anything to live on. So really, try eating healthy. I would say try eating salad, straight salad. Don't no soup, no milk, no nothing. Salad and water if you sick. And if that's not helping, then okay, prescriptions. But all in all, family, this was just a quick video on melanin. Like this video to help change the world. Subscribe to help change the world. I got something big planned for you all. So you know what I'm saying. Keep following me on my social media, because I'm about to drop something that's gonna change the whole world and help the Black community. So follow me to stay updated on that. Thank you all for tuning in, and as always, I love you all. Have a good one. Peace.